Have you ever wondered if a room is worth updating? I don't mean swapping curtains or a new soap dispenser, that's easy. I mean a space that's fine, but not quite in step with the rest of your home. Maybe a builder-grade bathroom that works, but doesn't feel polished or intentional. Maybe the cabinet knobs are still from the 90s, or the floor shows its age. Updating a small bathroom doesn't have to cost a fortune. They're one of the smartest rooms to focus on: small space, big impact, and one of the best returns on investment. So stay with me. These simple, budget-friendly tips will make your bathroom feel polished, spacious, and surprisingly luxe, no matter its size. Know your why. Before picking tiles or faucets, it's essential to understand why you're remodeling. Small bathrooms may feel fine, but subtle inefficiencies, outdated materials, or a cramped layout can make daily routines frustrating. Knowing the reason for the update guides every decision, from finishes to fixtures. It helps to keep in mind that most small bathrooms are around 15 to 36 square feet. That's enough space for a sink and toilet, and potentially a shower. But the layout needs to be smart to feel open and functional. Planning your layout carefully, whether by sketching ideas on paper, using design software, or consulting with a designer, can save time, money, and frustration down the line. Even minor updates can make a space feel completely transformed. Painting old tiles, swapping cabinet hardware, or adding a peel and stick backsplash are budget-friendly ways to elevate the look without a full renovation. These simple changes can create a foundation that feels intentional and modern. Beyond aesthetics, there's functionality. A thoughtfully updated bathroom can improve storage, traffic flow, and even lighting, all while increasing your home's resale value. Whether your goal is style, comfort, or resale, defining the why keeps the project focused and prevents overspending on unnecessary upgrades. Once you know why you're remodeling, the next step is planning your budget so every dollar counts. Plan your budget. A clear budget is your blueprint for success. Start by listing everything you want to update: tiles, vanity, lighting, storage, and then categorize by must-have versus nice-to-have. This helps you allocate resources efficiently. Low-cost upgrades can make a huge visual impact. Think peel and stick backsplash for a pop of pattern, new cabinet knobs, or fresh paint on dated tiles. Even simple changes can give the space a designer feel without breaking the bank. Consider where you might spend a bit more strategically, like lighting or a new vanity, while keeping other elements economical. Layering budget-conscious updates with one or two statement improvements balances cost and style. A plan keeps surprises and overspending at bay. With a budget set, it's easier to tackle the next step. Ensuring the layout highlights your space without awkward focal points. With a budget in place, let's make sure the toilet isn't stealing the spotlight. Don't highlight toilet. In small bathrooms, the toilet often dominates the room unintentionally. Avoid making it the focal point by arranging other elements to draw attention elsewhere, like a stylish vanity, statement mirror, or patterned floor. Space-saving fixtures are a designer trick that works wonders. A wall-mounted or compact toilet minimizes visual clutter, creating a cleaner line of sight and more floor space. Even small adjustments like a sleek flush plate or hidden tank can make a builder-grade toilet feel custom and thoughtful. These subtle changes elevate the space without requiring a full remodel. Once the toilet is visually downplayed, the next key element is lighting, which can completely transform a small bathroom's mood. Plan the lighting. Lighting can make a tiny bathroom feel airy and open. Layer overhead lights, vanity sconces, and ambient lighting to brighten the space evenly while avoiding harsh shadows. Affordable tricks include LED strips under the vanity, plug-in sconces, or mirrors with integrated lighting. Even small fixtures can dramatically improve both functionality and aesthetics. Consider the warmth of your bulbs. Soft white creates a cozy, spa-like feel, while bright white offers a crisp, modern touch. Mixing types of lighting gives you flexibility for mornings, evenings, and relaxing baths. Don't forget to think about placement and layering. Positioning lights near mirrors helps with tasks like applying makeup, while subtle accent lights highlight architectural details or decorative touches. Even a small bathroom benefits from multiple light sources, creating depth and a sense of spaciousness that a single overhead fixture simply can't achieve. A well-lit room not only looks larger, it feels more inviting. And while lighting sets the mood, we can't forget the fan for both comfort and longevity. Remember the fan. Ventilation is more than a technical detail. It protects finishes, prevents mold, and keeps the bathroom feeling fresh. A quiet, efficient fan with a humidity sensor is worth the investment, even on a budget. Placement matters. A ceiling fan near the shower or bath draws out moisture at the source, preserving tile grout and wood accents. Even small upgrades like timer switches or energy-efficient models make a noticeable difference. Don't forget style. Modern fans come in sleek, unobtrusive designs that blend seamlessly with your ceiling, ensuring the upgrade is functional and aesthetically pleasing. If your bathroom doesn't allow for a ceiling fan, consider alternatives like a wall-mounted unit or a combination exhaust and light fixture. Even improving natural airflow with a small window or vent can significantly reduce humidity and keep the space feeling crisp and clean, all while protecting your investment in finishes and fixtures. With the air properly managed, it's time to think about warmth underfoot, flooring that's both cozy and practical. Warm the floors. Cold tiles are a common frustration in small bathrooms. Heated floors might feel luxurious, but even a few cozy rugs or mats can make the space instantly inviting. Layering textures adds depth and style. A woven or wooden mat or a small runner in front of the vanity introduces warmth while complementing the overall palette. Even modest floor upgrades, like peel and stick vinyl planks or cushioned interlocking tiles, can improve comfort without a major remodel. These choices make the bathroom feel intentional and cared for. Speaking of space, swapping a bulky tub for a shower is one of the smartest ways to open up even the smallest bathroom. Tub to shower swap. Replacing a tub with a walk-in or corner shower immediately frees up space. Glass doors, even frameless, make the room feel light and open, while a simple tile pattern keeps it clean and modern. Compact showers are a designer trick for maximizing movement. A corner unit, low-profile tray, or wall-mounted storage niche preserves square footage without sacrificing style. Even if a full tub to shower swap isn't in the cards, a sleek glass shower screen or sliding door can create the illusion of space while improving functionality. After reshaping the room, the vanity deserves attention, both for style and storage. Rethink the vanity. Vanities are more than storage. They define the room's character. Floating or wall-mounted vanities free up floor space, creating an airy, open feel while keeping essentials within reach. Look for multifunctional designs, drawers, shelves, or hidden compartments. Even small upgrades like swapping hardware or painting the cabinet can refresh the look without a major investment. By the way, which vanity type would you choose? Floating or wall-mounted? Something sleek and minimal, or one with more storage? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know which way you lean. With that in mind, vanity choices also guide material and color decisions, which leads us naturally into exploring new surfaces, patterns, and finishes. New materials and patterns. Updating surfaces is where personality meets practicality. Tiles, paint, wallpaper, and hardware can all change the perception of space. Affordable upgrades like peel and stick backsplash or a fresh coat of paint on cabinetry add style without breaking the bank. Subtle patterns like geometric tiles or textured wallpaper create depth and visual interest in a compact area. Hardware updates on faucets, drawer pulls, and towel bars can also elevate the bathroom without a complete renovation. Small details, thoughtfully curated, transform the overall aesthetic. With refreshed surfaces, storage solutions become easier to implement while keeping the room feeling uncluttered. Keep storage in mind. Storage is crucial in a small bathroom. Wall-mounted shelves over toilet cabinets and hooks can maximize vertical space without crowding the floor. Think multi-purpose furniture or compact organizers. A slim rolling cart or drawer inserts can hide essentials while keeping surfaces tidy. Even simple tweaks, like stacking baskets or using decorative trays, maintain both organization and style. Practical storage doesn't have to compromise the polished look you've created. Don't forget to think vertically and creatively. Hooks inside cabinet doors, magnetic strips for small metal items, or tiered organizers can turn overlooked nooks into functional spots, keeping your counters clear while maintaining a clean, elegant look. After functional storage is in place, we can fill the space with natural and lively plants. Add life with plants. Plants breathe life into a bathroom. A small fern on the vanity, a trailing pothos on a shelf, or a succulent in a corner adds texture and warmth. Low-light varieties are ideal. Even a single statement plant can soften the room and create a spa-like ambiance. Consider using plants that thrive in humidity, like ferns, pothos, or peace lilies. They not only bring a pop of color and texture, but also help purify the air and soften the room's lines. Even a small windowsill or corner can host a low-maintenance plant, making the bathroom feel fresh, lively, and intentionally styled. Layer greenery with your updated surfaces, lighting, and textures. The combination of pattern, material, and plant life makes the space feel curated and refreshed. With this touch, the bathroom feels welcoming, polished, and alive, even in a small footprint. If you enjoyed these small bathroom updates, be sure to watch this next video for more inspiration.